Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome to Cash Giraffe. I have made a similar video, but I think it's worth repeating. Now, if you have already downloaded Cash Giraffe, here is another app you should download. Scrambly. Right here. I have already done it, already installed. And what I like about this app, when you use this app, you get paid twice. You get paid through Scrambly and you get paid by Cash Giraffe. So I happen to download this game because I love slots game. As I'm playing it, I'm earning coins through those both apps. So not only you see that? I haven't even started and I already got 167 coins in Cash Giraffe. So I have passed level 10. I'm already up to 40. So when I pass level 70, I will get 20 cents extra. Right now I got 81 cents. Not only playing games, you could do surveys, you could do other tasks, and it is a quick, you don't have to wait long to get your cash. And what I like, the way I did it, you normally if you just download Scrambly by itself, you only get paid by them. But because you download it through Cash Giraffe, you're gonna get paid twice. So follow the links in the description. I highly recommend it. And thank you, and look for my other videos.